Hi, North White students and families. My name is Mrs. Hausinger, and I teach Title I reading. As a teacher, what I do is I'll take groups of 4 or 5 students from a grade level, and we'll come to my room. I practice reading skills. So we may work on vocabulary, we may play word games, we may read books. We do lots of things with reading. Parents, you may be getting some information from me in the next couple of weeks about Title I. It'll give you more information about what Title I is and how we choose what we do and who we work with. If you have any questions at all, my email is jhausinger, HOUSINGER, at nwhite.k12.in.us. You're welcome to send me an email at any time, and I'd love to answer any questions or get back to you. If you also need any resources at home, flashcards or extra books, those kind of things, let me know, and I can work on that too. I can't wait to see you all back at school.